morning. It's Sunday. Happy Mother's Day. Even though it's Monday for you guys. I hope everyone had a good Mother's Day. If you're a mom. This one over here is signing cards. And I'm going to give her mommy her Mother's Day gifts, which are up there. I don't know what we got Grandma.
I got her a little decoration thing for the yard. I'll show you downstairs.
Cool. My download is complete. Yeah, I'm making some pasta right now because I'm starving and it's not even 12 o'clock yet. So I don't know. Sorry I'm being boring right now. I'm just trying to, yeah.
It's alright. It'll all be cut out. You won't even know.
You won't even know.
It'll all flow together and you'll be like, you're not
Most
boring.
of this will be cut. There we go. Alright, no more silence. Yay!
There never was silence.
When I got up this morning, the sun was out. I'm making pasta, like I said. There's a noodle in the fire. Now it's cloudy and rainy, so I don't know. Mother Nature's being bipolar. I kind of stressed out the cats last night.
Kinda.
Because I wanted them all to sleep with us in the bedroom, and nobody wanted to stay because this one
I'm surprised you remembered.
was being completely psychotic. Yeah, now she's pooped because she lost a lot of energy last night trying to eat the cats. Well, not eat them, but, you know, play with them and make them feel like their lives are in danger. Yep. What are we doing?
We're gonna say Happy Mother's Day. I already said it, but we're gonna give her these beautiful things since there's no fucking sun.
Whoa, language. There's children watching.
There's no sun, so I figure let's brighten her day a little bit more. I was gonna wait till later, but yeah.
Fuck, man. Always swearing.
Mommy. Yes, I'm almost 29 and I still call my mother Mommy.
You're fat. Yoo-hoo!
Happy Mother's Day. I know you're sleeping, but I figured the sun went away, so don't want people. Yo. One like climbs up a trellis. Yeah, so I figure maybe we'll have better luck. I'll put the card here. You go open it after. It's sleepy.
I'm watching the Ninja Turtles movies. Yeah, the original ones. You know, those, like the old ones from like 1990 and 1991. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna watch the third one though because, yeah, the first one was like the best one, and the second one was like, nah. Everything after that's just garbage. It's just garbage. It's just garbage.
I washed dishes.
She did dishes.
I had grilled cheese.
Ooh, I gotta go to bed soon. Cause I gotta work tonight. I don't wanna go to work. Ever.
Yay. That was an easy vlog to edit. We're being a little lazy with vlogging. Sorry about that. We're just chilling. The sun finally came back out. Hey, don't you want to play? Where's your ball? Come on. Allie. Come on. Where's your ball? Oh, there it is. Ready? Want to play with it? Come on, let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Give me the ball. Good girl. Nosy. So nosy. Yo, I'm at Caserta's Pizza. My mom's picking up some pizza. We're gonna go to my grandma's and have food at her house for Mother's Day. Yeah, got the present right here. Present, present, present. It's so nice out now. Like, it's so weird. I showed you guys already. It was nice. Oh, I got Charlotte in Mom's butt. Happy Mother's Day. Yay. Mwah.
Huh? But you're probably not even hungry?
She got you a little bit. Get a taste. That's Uncle Frankie's mail. Gotta get her glasses so she can see.
No, she put Uncle Frankie's mail away.
Oh.
Now, today they at the bakery they gave me 5 free cupcakes.
Ooh. Sure.
Be a present, huh?
See today at church you got this and a little carnation.
Oh. Oh.
This is from yard.
Oh, does it look familiar? Did somebody see it?
I seen it.
I told her, I was like, I want one of those late things for Grandma, but I didn't have the money at the time, so I sent her out on a mission.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I thought I was getting a Yankee candle. Who'd you buy
That's it. George got you those 2 candles for your anniversary.
She bought you that Yankee candle. I was surprised.
No, I didn't. I bought those scented.
Yeah.
You did buy something like Yankee candle.
Yeah, those scented, whatever. Oh, earrings.
Oh.
Oh, Charlotte, stop it now.
Wow.
She didn't open my car, she just goes right to your car.
That's nice. Thank you. Did
Macy's.
you open yours?
Yeah, I already opened it. It's a Macy's card, that's what I said.
This is different.
They're coops.
You're gonna own the whole collection. The whole Anne Klein.
The Hooper Girl.
The whole Anne Klein collection.
Yeah.
You'll have every one.
I had to keep telling her, you go over here and I'll be right back.
Yeah, she did. Huh?
It's so hard to buy for you. I'm just getting over me and figure it out.
Grandma, just a little love. Okay.
What? You want some pizza?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's eat this pizza that I've been smelling in the car.
Where's Frank? He's sleeping?
He went to his downstairs. I don't know.
If you want some.
If you want, you come. He'll come. My dad.
It's a woodpecker. Oh my god, he's so cute.
I got it downstairs. That's
That's
another.
you like them. It's called safety.
You left. Puppy! Hi! Hello! Obviously, I'm back home. Just got out of the shower. Oh, and my Scoopy's coming. He's coming. It's my Scoopy.
Hello, pet.
My Scoopy!
Hello, pet. What's this Caserta you're talking about?
Right here.
It's a Pizza Hut box.
Yeah, I told you that.
It's kind of gross.
No, it's not. It's fine. If you don't want it, I'll eat it. Fuck you! Yo! Well, it's that time of night. Day, night. Yeah. This one was doing zoomies on the couch. I was gonna record it, but I figured she'd stop as soon as I pulled the camera out, so. She's bothering me because she got way too much sleep. So, I don't know. But we're gonna go to bed, so. Say thank you for watching. Thanks. Subscribe if you're new. And as always, hit that thumbs up. Pause up. Pause up. See that paw? Pause it up. Pause up. Bye. Bye.